Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR HaLACHA. And here's a brand new HaLACHA 4 minutes for Friday, March 1st, 24th day of Adar Rishon. Okay, now this Shabbos, I need to tell you about stuff that's coming up on Shabbos. It's going to be Parshas Shkalim this Shabbos. Let's explain what it is. Parshas Shkalim always happens on the Shabbos before Rosh Chodesh Adar. This year we have two Rosh Chodesh Adars, and so this year it comes out on the Shabbos before Rosh Chodesh Adar Sheni, before the second Adar. And here's the main idea of it. You see, at the time when the Beis Hamikdash stood, may it soon and speedily be rebuilt, the Jews used to hand in their shekel amounts or half shekel amounts to the Beis Hamikdash, to the temple, and from that, sacrifices were brought. Community sacrifices were funded with those monies. They were always collected around this time of year, and they needed a new batch each year to pay for all the karbanos. We translate that loosely as sacrifices that were brought on the altar in the temple each year. They always happened at about this time of the year, especially with Pesach coming up and all the many sacrifices that would be needed for the new year. The new year we sort of count, also from Nisan, which is coming up when Pesach arrives. So this was the time when the collection was done. And so we unfortunately do not have the temple. The best that we could do is at least learn about it or read about it from the Torah, and that is the minor way that we could fulfill it today in our day and age when unfortunately we don't have the temple. May it speedily be rebuilt. So here's what they're going to do this Shabbos. They're going to take out two Torahs, and from the first Torah they're going to read the regular Parsha of the week, and from the second Torah they're going to read a portion from the Parsha of Ki Sisa, which we just passed a little bit back. And we're going to read from that second Torah the portion that talks about how the Jews gave a half shekel to the Beis Hamikdash, from which the sacrifices were brought. I'm sorry about this coughing. So we're going to read it from the second Torah. If Rosh Chodesh Adar in any year comes out to be on Shabbos itself, then we would actually take out three Torahs. The other one would be for the Rosh Chodesh reading. But this year it's like a regular year, and we take out two, and we're going to read Parshas Vayakel in the first one, and then we're going to read the Parsha the little portion from Ki Sisa that has the Parsha for Shkalim in it, so we could read all about it, and that's the best we can do in our day and age. And also there'll be a special Haftorah for that. And then there's going to be a few more special Parshios coming at us, but not in the following Shabbos, but in the one I think that's after that. Then we're going to read a special one for the Shabbos that precedes Purim. We'll tell you about that when that draws a little closer. Thanks for logging on. Have a great Shabbos, and log on again after Shabbos for more. Bye-bye.